Hey up duck, it's Iram here and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another Tesla video and today we're going to talk about the Boombox. So as you all know, this is a Tesla and it's not just about driving a car, it's about having fun too. So let's pop into the car and I'll show you the Boombox. So now we're in the car, I'm going to show you a special feature that no other car has. When I mean a special feature, I mean it's way exciting. So this is the Boombox. So I'm inside the Tesla and informatics system. Here we go. So press this and we need the toy box. And here you can see all the extra features that you get, and you only get these in the Tesla. So today we're going to be looking at the Boombox. And it says here, entertain a crowd with your media player when parked. So this feature is only available when you are actually parked. It says here you can also adjust the sounds your car makes. Please check local laws before use in public places. So of course, the reason why you can only use it in parked is because of the local laws in different countries, and Tesla, you know, is available all around the world. So you can also add up to 5 custom sounds as well. So it connects, you can connect to a USB with a directory named Boombox, and you can put 5 sounds in there using any laptop or computer system. So it gives you quite a few options there. So you can even customize it with 5 custom sounds as well. I'm parked up here in a safe and lawful area, of course. So if you go on the horn sound, so as you can see, there's quite a few here, quite a few sounds that you can make with your car. Again, it's got to be in the parked feature. You need to press the horn sound, so you need to be parked when you actually use this feature. We've got quite a few fun sounds here. So the first one, of course, that they had to come up with was a fart sound. So I'm going to press the horn so you can hear it, and then we'll go on to the preview basis so you can hear the rest of them as well. So here we go. Oh dear. So I'm going to go on the preview now, and the reason why is so I don't have to keep on pressing the horn. Oh dear. So I don't have to keep on pressing the horn. So again, I'm going to go on the preview like I've just said, and I'm repeating this because I'm going to do it without the fart sound this time. So here we go. So the next sound is posh. So let's hear it.
Well, I never.
Wow. Ooh. Oh, I never. Next one, toss a coin. So let's hear it. Preview.
Toss a coin to your witcher.
Toss a coin. The next one, which is an all-time favourite, which I have heard other people say, wow. So I'm going to use this one now, is goat. And they've actually put an exclamation mark on this. So it's obviously totally different to anything else. So let's have a little listen. Goat. Now that's a big one. Everybody loves the goat. And then let's go with the old horn. The old horn. Yeah, sophisticated. Okay, so that is an old horn. Let's go with the applause. Let's press the preview. The applause. I always deserve an applause. So the next one is ta-da! So let's have a go. Ta-da! So next after that is badum-ts. So that's what it's called. Badum-ts. Must be cymbals or something, so let's have a go. Badum-ts. That's quite a cool one. Next one. Ooh, DJ. DJ with the loud horn. There's something in it for everybody. And the last one is La Cucaracha. La cucaracha. So like I said before, this is a Tesla but it has features in that no other car has. So I think the thinking behind it was that this is a car, yet there are conversation pieces in there as well. So you can have fun with your friends, you can have a laugh. There's something in there for everybody. There's a sound in there for everybody. It's a bit of fun. You can still be a bit of a kid sometimes as well. So I think the whole features around it is, yes, there are serious features like the safety, the stylishness of it, but in there you have those entertainment features as well. So I would totally rate the car just on the Boombox at the moment. So according to the Boombox, I think it's a little bit of fun. So that's the end of my video, but if you have any suggestions or you'd like me to cover any other topics or any other products, then please comment below. Thank you for watching my video. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and press the bell icon so you get notifications of any upcoming videos. Bye for now and stay safe.